Here is another topic that I want to talk to you. This is the use of flare when we are working hard, as I've done in this scene. Okay, in this scene, as you can see, we have a big flare here. There are a lot of ships here, and when I'm in render view, everything is going well. But when I change viewport shading just to see the polygons, it's very hard to see what's happening here. So in this way we don't have other chance that deactivate the hide the flare in the viewport. This is the only way to see what we are doing and to edit in this kind of view when we use the camera, because the flare only happens in the camera view. If we have the flare active but we change from the camera view, we don't have any problems. But if we are a camera view, we see the polygons of the object of the flare, and we have big troubles. So you can work in render view in this way, or you can make your flare as you want, arrange it and make it better, and then to work at your scene, hide from here. Remember that if you hide it from the viewport, when you render, it's turned on again, because we don't have hidden it from the rendering, but just from the viewport. So it's here when you render. There is no problem about the rendering. Okay, this is what I wanted to say, because it can be hard at the beginning to understand what to do when you have this all these polygons in front of your camera. Thank you. Bye bye.